What a joy it is to be here tonight, and we certainly give our profound honor and respect to our overseer, our chief overseer, and all of the dignitaries that are here. Thank God for my lovely wife being with me on tonight. You all made such an impression on my wife and I until we said we got to come to Nashville to be with the saints here this week. And I'm reminded of something that the Apostle Paul teaches us in the book of Romans, chapter 8, verse number 28. He says, and we know, not and we think, not and we hope, not and we assume, not and we have faith to believe, but he says, and we know that all things, the good things, the bad things, the ugly things, the indifferent things, all of them, they work together for good to them that love God, to them who are the called according to his purpose. God makes out of us what I like to think of as a things cake. The ingredients of our lives parallel the ingredients of a pound cake. I can't imagine anybody going home tonight craving a pound of sugar. I can't imagine you rushing out of this convocation to go get a pound of butter, to go get you a pound of flour. I can't imagine you leaving and tipping out to drink some vanilla flavoring. But these are the ingredients of a pound cake. They are not good to you by themselves, but when you properly mix them together. Y'all leave me alone now. Y'all leave me alone. And just give it a little time. Something good comes out of it. And that's what God does with things. All things. T-H-I-N-G-S. T. In everybody's life, there's going to be some troubles and some trials. H. There will be some heartaches and some heartbreaks. I. There will be some iniquities and some infirmities. N. There will be some needs and some neglects. G. There will be some grief and some grievances. S, there will be some suffering and some sorrows. But I just wish somebody would look at your neighbor and say, with all things, they just have a way of working together. God is the only one that can take the troubles and the trials, the heartaches and the heartbreaks, the iniquities and the infirmities, the needs and the neglects, the grief and the grievances, the suffering and the sorrow, and mix it together in the bowl called life and put it in the oven called time. And when he finishes with it, we have a testimony that all things, I said all things, it may not have been good to me, but some way, somehow, when God got through with it, it worked together for my good. Can somebody clap